Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass Sass, and I am here to show you what was in our March box. So let's get started. This month's theme was Oh Shit Kit. Like every month, you get this little booklet that shows you everything you're getting, tells you a little bit more about the item, who made it, if there's any special care instructions or anything like that. Okay, let's dig in. Okay, so first up is our spoiler item. So it was this bobby pin holder from Naughty Plank Woodworks. They have their little logo on the back, and it comes with a adorable branded wrapper too. But it says, I got 99 bobby pins and I can't find one. And it's magnetic, so your bobby pins stick to it. It's amazing. Okay, next up we have a 2-pack of coasters. This comes in a little box. I've just taken mine out, but it says sarcasm, just one of my many talents. And they're stone and giant, and then they have a cork back. So there's a 2-pack of those. Okay, next up we have a candle from ES Bath & Body. This comes in a cute little box too, but we've got this adorable gold tin, and it's called Calm the Fuck Down. It smells amazing, and it has a wood wick. So good. Okay, so the rest of the items we put inside of this pouch, this Oh Shit Kit pouch that has this print on the front and then a watermelon pink zipper. So first up from here we have a birthday card that says happy birthday bitch, because I feel like I'm always looking for a birthday card. I never have one laying around, but it's blank inside, and then on the back it just says love ya, and then it comes with this blue envelope. All right, next we have these air fresheners from Wit Gifts. So they say flock off, and it has a little flamingo on it, and this is a 2-pack, and these are scented like jasmine. They're so good. I have one in my car right now. Okay, next we have this is a jar opener, so it helps you open those super tough jars, and it says life is tough honey, but so are you, and it has a cute little bee on it. All right, next up we have a toothbrush holder, which I am totally in need of one of these when I'm traveling, and it says so fresh, so clean. Okay, next up we have from Poopery, it's the Before You Go toilet spray. We did a variety of their scents, so it'll be a mix, but this one is vanilla mint, and it's super tiny, so it can fit in your bag or wherever. It's so funny. Next up we have two of these wipes from the Hate Stains company. So they're little stain wipes, and this one is a red wine stain remover, which, I mean, super important. And then this one's just an emergency stain wipe, so I'm gonna put mine in my car or in my bag, because I'm always on the go when I spill on myself. And then next we have just this cute little nail file, and it says, I don't even believe myself when I say I'll be ready in 5 minutes. I don't even know why I pretend. And then last item, so you get this little business card holder. It's like a little aluminum or metal case, and we did a variety of colors. So this one's pink. There was also black and blue and gold and silver, but we made some little fun cards for the inside. So this one says, you're kind of an asshole. Need that some days. This one says, I'm sorry for the things I said when I was hangry. That's for my husband. Me to him. This one says, I hope your day is as nice as your butt. This one says, thanks for your unsolicited opinion. And then this one says, your parking sucks. This was the inspiration that started it all. Okay, so that was all of the items in the box, and then of course you can subscribe to just the box, or you can subscribe to just the t-shirt, or you can get both, which is the big box. But this month's shirt is a heather navy, and it says, I'd agree with you, but then we'd both be wrong. And you get a little postcard with the shirt that just tells you about the shirt, tells you some care instructions, all that fun stuff. So that was it for the March box. We do have some left, so if you want to grab one, I'll post the link. If you want to sign up for April, you have until April 12th, so I'll post that link as well. Thanks!